Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. First of all, just need to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So go to your Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Then here, if an update button shows up, you just need to tap on this update button. Then once you've done, open up your TikTok app. And here, if you want to block someone, just need to tap on the profile picture right here at the top of the heart icon. And here, all you need to do is tap on the share icon right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then a message shows up right here. And at the bottom, you'll find the block icon beside the send message icon. So just need to tap on block and it will show you a message shows up. Just need to confirm by tapping on this block option. So as you can see, this account is blocked. So that's how you basically block someone on TikTok. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.